In this Oportun Loans review, we take a balanced look at how this lender works, its benefits, and its drawbacks. Oportun is known for offering personal loans to individuals with little to no credit history, making it an option for those struggling to get approved elsewhere. The application process is relatively straightforward, with pre-qualification available to check potential rates without impacting credit scores. However, while Oportun does not require a traditional credit score, they assess income, expenses, and financial habits to determine loan eligibility, and the interest rates can be quite high compared to traditional banks, sometimes reaching levels similar to payday lenders. Loan amounts range from $300 to $10,000 and repayment terms vary, but some customers report that while approval is quick, the cost of borrowing can be steep. On the positive side, Oportun offers no prepayment penalties and reports payments to credit bureaus, which can help build credit over time, but late fees and high APRs can make it expensive for long-term borrowing. Some borrowers appreciate the flexibility and accessibility, especially for those without strong credit, while others find the costs too high compared to other personal loan options. Overall, Oportun may be a suitable choice for short-term financial needs, but exploring alternative lenders with lower interest rates might be a better option for those seeking more affordable financing. Let us know in the comments if you've used Oportun Loans and share your experience.